We now have significantly more pallet spaces than what was initially planned. The narrow aisle truck works extremely well in combination with the racking system. We're at the ICE plant in Berlin Rummelsberg. It's a maintenance facility from Deutsche Bahn Fernverkehr. The plant stretches across more than 600 square meters, with around 30 kilometers of factory tracks. 700 employees work at the plant, and they're responsible for ensuring that about 75 trains leave the plant reconditioned every day. Accordingly, spare parts for all ICE series are stored here, from the ICE 1 to our new flagship, the ICE 4. The requirement was to fit the maximum number of pallet spaces into a given building envelope. We were the only supplier who decided to offer the facility as a narrow aisle warehouse to achieve the highest possible degree of space utilization. These narrow aisles, very narrow compared to similar racking systems, allowed us to fit an additional trolley and therefore more pallet spaces into the limited space. Jungheinrich provided a coherent overall concept, which ultimately led us to choose Jungheinrich as our partner. The Deutsche Bahn mobile racking system is special in that we can lock the rack trolleys on the floor, so that when the narrow aisle truck moves into the aisle, it can use the trolley as a guide rail. Safety was a big concern for us, so we paid a lot of attention to it during the tendering process. Compared to the old systems, the latest optical technology is installed here. We have light barriers on the front and also on the back of the mobile racking, which ensure that no person or load is still inside the aisles when the trolleys move. Our collaboration with Jungheinrich was very cooperative at all times. We always talked to the same person, and they were always very accommodating. The service was very fast. I can only recommend it.